Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe maintenance light reset. Now we're gonna be using these three buttons over here, down here. This is the menu button. This is to scroll down, and this is to enter. Okay, and we're gonna be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you're not at this page, go ahead and click the menu button until you get to that page, which is here. Now scroll down to service interval. Now keep in mind this customer is has the system, the service system turned off. So if you want to reset it, you have to turn it on, and let me show you how to do that. Go ahead and press enter on that. As you can see, the box is unchecked, meaning the system is turned off. That's the reason why you see the 0 mile and the 0 months. So you have to turn it on by scroll down to it and click check the box. Okay, now go down to set the mileage. Enter on it. Okay, now scroll down till you get, oh actually, you know what, never mind. Oh, I can't see that. Okay, now let's go to back to 0. Click down because this is way too much. Okay, now enter to go to the 4th digit. Now scroll down to, how come I can't see? Just scroll down till you get to 5. Sorry guys, this is, oh there, I think that is 5. There you go. Now enter on it. Keep entering. Okay, now you're at 5,000. Now scroll down to the month. Enter on it. And enter on it so you get to the 1st digit. And now scroll down to 5, which is 5 months. Enter. And let's go back by pressing down. Enter on it. Yes, enter on it. Okay, that is how you reset it. Now if you want to turn off the system, which I don't recommend, but you know, some people do, you can go ahead and enter on the service interval. Scroll down to service interval, uncheck the box by pressing enter, and there you go guys, you turn the system off. And yeah, and so that's how you reset it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.